Want to become a great copywriter today? And do you have a purpose of making the reader think, perceive, or act differently from the way they did earlier? Then you're at the right place. So, hey guys, this is Asta from PaperVideo, and in this video, I'll discuss 5 essential tips to become a great copywriter today. So watch the video till the end. But before moving forward, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Copywriting is the act of promoting or selling a business, brand, product, or service which makes it, by definition, a semblance of marketing. The purpose of the term copy is to drive action. Examples of direct response copywriting include a Twitter ad detailed out to get an ad click, a billboard put into making you turn at the next exit and visit the place, a landing page designed to obtain an email sign-up. An email is planned to get a message in reply, or a product description was drafted to drive an add to cart click. Even if you're a copywriter currently, chances are you could still sharpen your skills and become even better at your job. Fortunately for you, the journey from an average copywriter to a great copywriter might only take 1 hour of your precious time. Following 5 steps can be what finally takes you to the next copywriting level. Number 1, headlines are not just important, but crucial. When you start drafting your copy, think about what you say as a form of persuasion. Your goal can be anything, but you do want to grab the attention of your audience. Number 2, good visuals are a must. This is perhaps a no-brainer to you, but don't worry, there's more value to this tip than just this. Copywriting is an art, and you should be aware of the concept of space and how to use it well. A note: simple visuals need complex headlines, while more complex visuals need simple headlines. Number 3, be anxious about syllables. Don't stress about how many words are there in your headline. You can have a 20-word headline that works better than a 5-word headline just because of your word choice. The trick is to take into consideration syllables. When words flow better and are easier for your audience to identify with, they are more likely to click on and read the content. Number 4, no one-bit humor. One of the most prominent go-tos in the world of copywriting is to use humor in your copy. You don't impress anyone. They are laughing at you, not with you. Number 5, emotional, then rational. You have about a second to make sure that you have the complete focus of a reader. You don't do this with data and facts unless they're big shocks or something. So keep aside all the data until you get to your content's meat. Grab the emotions when you start. When you dance with your readers' heartstrings, readers notice you, and then you hit them with the hard facts. These tips are all easy to implement, and they don't require much effort and time. Understand them and remember them as you write down your next piece of content. If you found this video informative, then check out this comprehensive blog on 10 essential tips to become a great copywriter today. Sam Sauder's labeled the most interesting copywriter in the world, a keynote speaker at the Cannes Lions Festival of Creativity. Here, he disclosed the holy grail of copywriter secrets at papervideo.com. You can find the link in the description down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Leave a comment if you enjoyed the video and what topic would you like to see a video on. Thank you for watching.